Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Today in this video, I am talking about Siri shortcuts. Guys, we all know that all have multiple shortcuts on their devices, but there are only few which you use regular basis. So this video will be about those shortcuts which I use regular basis on my device, right? So all the links will be description. How to do shortcuts or shortcut link will be description. So now let's start the video. The first shortcut which I use, that is your very common one, that is your wallpapers. Just by typing the shortcut icon or a widgets, you can change the wallpapers on your device. I proudly say that the first video on the YouTube is by me on this shortcut. So the video link in the description, please go and check out. The second one is called low battery. So if you experience or if you know, whenever a battery gets low, we go and manually turn off your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, our data, okay, lower the brightness on your devices and also many things, right? We go and manually do it. It's very time consuming. If you see here, okay, brightness is very high, okay, Wi-Fi is on and Bluetooth is on, right? So once I click on the low battery icon, it will automatically turn off your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, lower the brightness and everything will be turned off. If you see, the brightness is low power mode is on, okay, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth is turned off, right? So it's one click automation. So if you see here, whenever your battery gets low, just tap on the low battery, it will automatically lower everything, turn off everything which you don't require and get you on track. The third one is called the current location. So whenever you are traveling, or I am the guy who travels the most, okay, by my job. So whenever I am lost or whenever I am a new place which I don't know what the place is called, I just tap on the icon. So it will get my location, current location, with exactly the road name or the zip code, city, state, everything it will give me in a exact detail. So very simple and very cool and very helpful for your traveling persons. So the fourth one, which I call it dark and light mode. So basically this shortcut, what it does is it will customize your wallpapers according to your dark mode and light mode. So whenever you turn off your dark mode, it will choose a light wallpapers, and whenever you turn on your dark mode, it will choose a dark mode. So now the dark mode is on dark wallpapers, and once you tap again, it will turn on the light mode with the light wallpapers. If you see, so dark mode to light mode with the light wallpapers. Tap again, if you see it is light mode, right? It's off. So now again tap on that. So now from light mode to dark mode with the dark wallpapers, right? So now if you see, the dark mode turn on with the dark wallpaper. So according to the mode, it will change the wallpapers. It's very cool. The link will be description. Please go and check. Okay, the next one is called a makeup PDF. You might be a college student or working guy or girl. There might be a situation where you wanted to create a PDF file on your device. It may be from your photos or any document to PDF, right? And it is very hard to create a PDF on your iPhone. So guys, don't worry, this will surely help you out. If you see here, okay, if you go to camera roll and create a PDF file very easily. For example, let me open Photos application, and here choose the photos for PDF file. Okay, 1 2 3 4. Once you do that, just click on share icon and scroll down until you find make a PDF. Okay, do that, and here it will transfer the photo into PDF file. And here if you see here, there are all 4 photos into PDF file. If you like them, do one thing, just click on done. Okay, click on done and it will show you options. Click on done. If you like them, just save. If you want to share, just share or cancel it. So for now, just go and share the file directly from here. Just click here, and then multiple option to share the PDF file you just created. Nice, right? So similarly, you can also create a PDF file from your web page also. For example, if you go ahead and open Safari browser, and here is the Google page, okay, and here it is a sports page. So now if you see here, it is a web page. For PDF, just click on share icon, scroll down and tap on make a PDF. If you see, just go ahead and click on make a PDF. After this, it will convert a web page into a PDF file in a single click. If you see, just wait for a while, few seconds, and here it will create a PDF file from web page. It's done. So here is the PDF file from web page. So now you can choose to share, save or cancel. For now, just click on done. Okay, so go ahead, click on done now. Once you do that, you can choose share or save or cancel. For now, just go ahead and cancel the transaction. one more thing, the PDF file from the web page may differ according to the content available on the web page. Okay, remember that. So now go and check the next one. That is your YouTube picture in picture, which is really cool application or cool feature for the all iOS devices. For now, how to use this? First, add this to your device. After that, go and open the YouTube application, and here choose any video. Okay, click on share, and here go to more options and choose YouTube PIP. If you just click on that, okay, it will open the picture in picture mode within seconds. If you see, wait for few seconds, it will load your video in picture mode. So now if you see, it is loading and it's playing in picture mode on your device. So now just go to home screen and enjoy the video from your home screen. The last one which I use the most, that is your world time zones. Okay, this displays the time zones from all around the world. It is important for me because it helps me in planning my video upload on a YouTube, because there are many people who watch my videos from different countries at different time zones. So this will surely help me on planning the video upload. If you see here, now once you open shortcut application, open that, and here it will give you a calendar and the time. So now do one thing, just go ahead and choose a timing for which you want to know the different time zones from the entire world, right? So do one thing, set timing, that is your 9 p.m. from a current country, click on done. Once you do that, it will display different time zones at different countries of your current chosen time. So 9 p.m. from a country looks like different from other countries, right? So there are many lists available. This is really helpful. Okay, instead of downloading the world clock application or going and checking the world clock again and again, it will surely help you in quickest way. And guys, lastly, if you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye.